So quick update, guys. Front tower, I'm gonna go in and I'm gonna change this line here so that you got a gap in there so you can get up under the head of this style pin that they went back to. It's not the screw-in style on the Talion. We got the rear brace. That's gonna be a monster brace. It's 3/4 this way and 9 millimeters thick. So we ain't gonna be worried about bending that brace. And then we got the center drive shaft. We're making those on the machine now. We got the rear. We got the rear tower, and I raised up these ears just slightly so that they match the rear wing better. I felt like that was a nice touch. And we of course strengthened it with thickness. And we gave it little eyebrows because all the pressure's up here. So I feel like we're in a really good spot. We're making the bushings for these now, and these will be released pretty quick here.